Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make city an Infinite Craft easy guide. Start by selecting a flat biome and sketching a simple grid with main roads. Focus on core resources and modular house designs so you can scale quickly. Use themed blocks to define districts and keep consistent street widths for efficiency. Place public services like water, power, and parks near population centers to boost growth and satisfaction. In this video, I will explain how to make city an Infinite Craft easy guide. Lay a main boulevard first, then branch smaller streets in a predictable grid to simplify building placement. Keep sidewalks and lighting consistent so nighttime navigation feels safe. Designate mixed-use corridors for shops and homes to reduce travel time. Leave peripheral land empty for transit hubs and large landmarks to improve long-term planning and visual balance. In this video, I will explain how to make city an Infinite Craft easy guide. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers I love. They keep snacks sealed while you build and prevent spills on your keyboard. They come in handy during long creative sessions and are easy to stack in small craft rooms. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make city an Infinite Craft easy guide. Create modular building templates for houses, shops, and civic buildings to speed up development and keep a coherent skyline. Mix low and mid-density blocks to offer variety while maintaining infrastructure efficiency. Place utilities strategically and automate resource loops so your city stays supplied without constant intervention, letting you focus on expansion and aesthetic improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.